In our pursuit of enhancing customer satisfaction, remember that every experience matters. Each customer's experience shapes their perception of the brand. Invest time and effort into resolving complaints. This benefits the individual customer. It also strengthens the business's reputation. Effective complaint resolution begins with establishing a rapport. A friendly demeanor can put customers at ease, making them more open to dialogue. Use their name and acknowledge their feelings right from the start. This personalizes the interaction. It also shows that you value the customer as an individual, not just as a source of complaints. Next, it's crucial to prioritize transparency throughout the resolution process. Clearly outline the timeframes involved and the specific actions you are taking. This builds confidence in the customer. They can see their concern is being taken seriously. Keeping them informed helps reduce anxiety. It also creates a sense of partnership in solving the problem. Additionally, if any unforeseen delays occur, communicate promptly and provide updates. Moreover, it's important to document the complaint thoroughly. Accurate records help resolve the current issue. They also reveal patterns or recurring problems. These insights can guide future improvements. After handling the complaint, review the documentation to assess overall customer feedback trends. This analysis can reveal systemic issues. Some of these may require deeper changes in the organization. It could also affect service offerings. By using this data, businesses can improve their strategies. This fosters proactive customer service, leading to lasting satisfaction and loyalty. In navigating the complexities of customer complaints, solid training for your team is vital. Equip them with conflict resolution skills, empowering them to handle disputes effectively. Regular training sessions improve employees' ability to empathize with customers. This allows them to provide tailored solutions. Encourage role-playing exercises. These exercises simulate real-life scenarios. Role-playing boosts confidence during actual interactions. Foster a culture of continuous learning within the team. This improves service quality and creates a more engaged workforce. Sharing success stories helps the team feel valued. Learning from failures also builds a supportive environment. Positive reinforcement is essential for consistent, high-quality interactions. It encourages team members to perform at their best. Investing in your team's development shows your commitment to exceptional customer service. In implementing these strategies, remember the key role of empowerment. Encourage your team to take ownership of situations. Allow them to assess complaints independently. When employees feel trusted, they are more confident. Support also increases their engagement with customers. Empowerment fosters a positive workplace atmosphere. It also improves customer experiences. Using these techniques makes both customers and employees feel valued. Empathy, transparency, and empowerment turn challenges into opportunities. This approach builds growth and loyalty. Fostering this culture addresses immediate issues. It also paves the way for long-term success. Effective complaint resolution is more than fixing a problem. It creates a positive experience that reinforces customer trust. Implementing these strategies helps your business to resolve complaints and build lasting relationships with customers. In the next video we will discuss about managing difficult customers. Stay connected with us. Thank you.